In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to remove a filter from a Snapchat picture or photo in 2026. On Snapchat, you can only remove filters if the photo still has the original filter layer. If the photo was saved with the filter applied permanently, it cannot be fully removed. First, launch your Snapchat app and make sure you are logged in. Tap on the photo icon in the bottom left corner to open memories. Then switch to camera roll or snaps tab and find the photo you want to edit. Tap on the photo, then tap three dots in the top right corner and select Edit Snap. Now swipe left or right across the screen to go to Filters. The last swipe will return the photo to its original look. If the original photo is still available, the filter will be removed instantly. However, if the photo was exported, screenshotted, or saved with the filter applied, the filter cannot be removed because Snapchat does not restore the original data. Filters are layered effects, and once they are flattened into an image, they cannot be undone. A good tip is always save snaps without filters if you might want to edit them later and keep the originals in your camera. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.